Hello students, in today's class let us learn about abacus and how to count the beads on the abacus and finding out the greatest and the smallest numbers in the abacus. What is the full form of abacus? A means attribute, B means based, A axis, C control, U user, and yes system. Let's learn more about an abacus. An abacus has beads that slide on rods. It can be used to count, add, subtract, multiple, and more. We use abacus to show the numbers. Students, here the abacus has two vertical rods and one rod is for tens and one for units or ones. In each rod we can put 9 beads. In each rod we can put 9 beads. Each bead in tens rod represent 1 10 and each bead in ones rod represent 1 1. Let us show the number 28 on an abacus. Number 28 has 8 ones or units and 2 tens. Number 28 has 8 units and 2 tens. Thus we have to draw 8 beads in ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units and 2 tens. So, in this rod, we have to draw 8 beads in ones column. In tens column, we have to put 2 beads. We have to put 2 beads because 2 tens. Let's take next 2-digit number 64. 64. Here 4 is in ones place or units place and 6 is in tens place. Units and tens. So we have to draw 4 beads in units place. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to draw 4 beads in ones column or units column and 6 beads in tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads in tens column. I hope you all understood the concept. Do the exercise from the reader, page number 71. Count the beads on abacus, write the number below and encircle the big number. Here there are 2 rods, tens rod and units rod. Let's count the beads on tens rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads in units rod or units column. There are 73. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads in tens rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in units rod. 44. In the given two numbers, to find out the bigger number, first we have to compare the numbers in tens place. Big number in the tens place is the bigger number among the two numbers. Here in tens place the number is 7 and 4. So which is the biggest number? 7 is the biggest number. So we have to encircle the number 73. If the number in tens place are equal, suppose in tens place if the numbers are 7 and 7, it's difficult to compare. It's difficult to write the biggest number. So we have to compare the number in units place. So which is the biggest number in these two numbers? 73 is the biggest number. Let's take the other example. Here in tens column, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 bits. And in units column or units rod, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bits. 34. Here in tens rod, there are 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here there are 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bits. 45. So let's find out the biggest number. Here in tens column, there are 3 bits. And here in tens column, there are 4 bits. So which is the biggest number? 4 is the biggest number. So we have to encircle the biggest number as 45. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beats in tens rod and 1, 2 beats in units rod. 62. 1, 2, 3, 4 beats in tens rod. 1, 2 beats in units rod. 42. So let's compare the number in tens place. 6 and 4. Which is the big number? 6 is the big number. So we have to encircle the biggest number 62. Is it clear? Let's do the other exercise. Count the beats on abacus and write the number below. Circle the smallest number. So here there are 2 rods. One rod represents tens and another rod represents units. In tens rod, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats, and in units rod there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units or 8 beats. 48. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beats in tens rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats in units rod or ones rod. So 74. Let's find out the smallest number in these two numbers. In the given two numbers, to find out the smaller number, first we have to compare the numbers in the tens place. So small number in the tens place is the smallest number among the two numbers. Let's compare these two numbers in tens place. 4 and 7. 4 is in tens place. Here 7 is in tens place. So 4 and 7 are in tens place. So which is the smallest number in these two numbers? 4 is the smallest number. So we have to encircle the number 48. Students, do this exercise in your reader book, page number 75 and 76.